Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope you all are fine and spending a beautiful day. Now, welcome back to my channel. And in this video, you'll see some different length of pencil heel in a really beautiful design and different color combination. As you see, this one in a red and black combo. This combo look really amazing. This is in a black slipper type of heel. It look really pretty. This is also a really light color and it looked really beautiful. This is in a red color with some beads type of thing that look really pretty. This is in silver color or really light shaded color that look really amazing. This look really basic design, but the color and that silver thing look really beautiful. This look really nice, blue and white combination. This combo look really amazing. And as you see, this one in black color, it's a really different type of a color, and this is full black in a really beautiful color. The diverse range of ladies footwear reflects the varied lifestyle and need of women, from high heel for formal event to sneakers for casual wear. The range provide versatility for different activities, and high quality craftsmanship is appreciated in ladies footwear, reflecting in the choice of material, construction, and attention to detail. Women often value shoes that are durable and well made. And while style is essential, the comfort of ladies footwear is also crucial. There's a growing demand for shoes that offer both comfort and style, catering to different activities and occasions. And if you're a high heel lover and every kind of footwear lovers on this platform, you'll find them in really beautiful design and different color combinations, so do check them and comment below which type of video you'll want to see the next. If you like this video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and press bell icon. So that's it for today video. I will see you in the next video. So love is bye bye, take care, and thanks for watching this video.